Hello friends, today we are talking about happiness. Usually people say work hard so that you can be happy in the future. Does this mean we cannot be happy in the present? We can be working hard to achieve a happiness in future? Do we have to sacrifice a lot in the present to be happy in the future? This is completely a misconceived idea about happiness. Happiness is not a trophy. Happiness is not an achievement that we have to work towards and earn it. Happiness is simply a habit. It can be practiced and it can be produced within. Happiness comes within us. How do we react to things? There are certain things we feel that will make us happy. It's not really the objects that are making happy, it is our attitude and perception towards that object or towards the environment around us. That's what makes us happy. The same object or environment can give happiness to someone where it may not give happiness to someone else. It is completely dependent on the individual's perception. So, happiness is not something that you need to chase, or happiness is not something it's only in the future. If you think like that, we'll be chasing happiness all the time in our life. We'll never be happy. Happiness is a habit that has to be practiced, inculcated within us in present. Happiness, one side, it's just a single term, but unhappiness, it actually has a lot of statuses: anger, resentment, apathy, self-pity. There could be many things which actually produces unhappiness. All these things are bound to happen due to different situations and scenarios that could happen in our life. We cannot be happy all the time, right? But the problem is we dwell too much there and then we complain that we are not happy. It is completely within us. How do we react to these situations? And then we realize that we cannot do anything productive with being one of these states which produces unhappiness. You need to realize that and try to come back to happiness. How we should come back, how we can come back to happiness. The trick is to have gratitude. In our life, majority of the time we don't have unhappiness. We don't have all these things: anger, anxiety, depression. All the time we don't have. We encounter these in some extraordinary situations, some external factors, they cause it, but we don't have that all the time. So we can be grateful, we can have the gratitude that we actually encountered this only for a minimal point of time in our life. When we realize that, we can actually come back to happiness. We can say, this shall pass. Then you have the gratitude that in majority of your life you did not have these issues. Then you have the gratitude, then you can come back to happiness. So whenever someone says, someone tells you to work hard, or you do some sacrifice so that you can be happy in future, you can tell them very well, no, I'm already happy, I can be happy, I will be happy in future. Because happiness is the single most factor is going to keep us highly productive and in growth. So keep practicing being happy. Any situation that takes you away from happiness, try to avoid, or if you are not able to avoid, don't dwell too much and come back, have the feeling of gratitude and keep yourself under calm and happiness mind. Thank you.